So up top, I've got waters because pretty much I drink water and tea. I absolutely love coffee, y'all. But coffee makes, because I have Graves' disease, which is a thyroid condition, coffee makes my heart kind of jump like it was when I initially had hyperthyroidism. So if I have a cup of coffee, I have to have maybe a half a cup maybe once every few months. So I don't even bother with coffee for the most part. So I keep water up here. I actually keep crackers in my refrigerator because I like crackers cold. So I got some crackers up here. I got a little container with baking soda up here. Down here, I just finished washing my blueberries, and I store my blueberries two ways. I either wash the container out that they actually came in and use it like I've done here, or I'll use a Ziploc bag. Today I decided to wash this container out, and then I'll layer in between it with paper towels to catch the moisture from the refrigerator, and these will stay fresh. But they don't stay long in my refrigerator because I eat blueberries a lot. Here I got some leftover cornbread from my 15 bean soup and cornbread that I made. Got some eggs right there because I love eggs. I've got me some pickled beets, and I've got a spare beet right here that I roasted a couple of days ago. So ignore the alarm on the refrigerator. That's just that going off. But there's a spare beet right there, and I always like to put it on a container because it leaks out. Even if it's wrapped up really good, it leaks out. These are the chicken breasts that I brought the other day, and what I've done is I season them, and I think I'm gonna make some sort of chicken salad with them or something like that. That's the only reason why I hadn't put them in the freezer yet. And this is something that I want to try. So I actually love Bulgarian yogurt, and y'all could call me crazy, but I actually like it better than Greek yogurt, and this brand I've never tried. So this is something new that I'm getting ready to try. And then right here is my 15 bean soup. You see it, my 15 bean soup that's left over. I've been eating that for a day and a half or so. And if I don't want to eat this tomorrow, what I decided to do is that I'm going to take this, pour this into a Ziploc bag and date it and put it in the freezer, y'all, because beans freeze well. They freeze well. It just does. That's why I love to cook stuff that freeze well, so that you always have some on hand. And I also have my niece bought me a, what do you call them things? A vacuum sealer. So I can actually vacuum seal it when I freeze it, so it can keep longer, and I can vacuum seal just enough for me. And so I don't have to do the whole pot. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like to freeze stuff. So I got that. But here is the goal. Here's the goal for me. Right here in these drawers, baby. This is the goal. I got my greens. I got my collards. I've got some arugula right here. I've got some curly kale right here. I've got some regular dino kale right here. And so I keep all my greens in here. I got a cucumber in here. What else I got in here? This is some leftover broccoli stems that I don't throw away. What I do with those broccoli stems is I cut them up like they're onions, and I saute them and eat them. So I got that. Let's get this back in here. And I got some Brussels sprouts, and I got an onion that I cut up. So you may say, well, my God, that's a lot of individual Ziploc bag packages that you use. So you must have some stock in Ziploc. But think about it like this. Whenever all of this is clean and dried and spun through the salad spinner, and whenever I want something to eat, because all of this is already cleaned and stuff, I don't throw vegetables away. So what happens typically when someone goes to the store and buys vegetables, they basically buy their vegetables and just throw them in the refrigerator. And then on the day that they think about it, or they realize that they've got vegetables in their refrigerator, they've even gone bad, they've wilted or whatever, and then you don't want them. People throw more vegetables away, more green leafy vegetables away than anything. And it's because they don't wash them, they don't spin them, they don't dry them, they don't let them completely dry, and then they don't store them properly. Now, you young people out there, I know y'all got them cute little containers, baby, that y'all put them in on the internet, them little cute little clear containers. I love those things, but I don't have those. So this is what I got, and this is what I use, and this works just fine. And the good thing about these Ziploc bags is that once, let's say I'm gonna cook all of these greens today. I'm gonna saute all of these greens today for myself, okay? For example, I saute all of these greens. The paper towels don't get thrown away. They get reused because they're basically clean paper towels. They get used for wipe ups and stuff. So I make a stack of paper towels on my kitchen countertop and I use them for wiping up messes or whatever, you know, cleaning the pot off, cleaning the garbage can off or something like that. The bag doesn't get wasted because as I'm cooking and cutting and chopping and discarding different things in the kitchen, I put my trash in here. And then when I get my trash in here, I throw this away. So or when you owe the budget, baby, you just rinse this Ziploc bag out, put it on your little rack and let it dry out and use it one more time. So that's what I got on that side. And this is what's in my refrigerator most days. And then on this side, I've got another piece of onion. I got a bell pepper. I got me a good old pomegranate. That's gold. I've got me a turnip bottom. I've got me some old bell peppers that I've already cut open. Some leftover carrots. I've got some celery in here. And I've got some herbs. I got some sage. Okay, so that's kind of how my refrigerator looks. And then down here at the bottom, I've got all of my fruit and stuff. I got my fruit and my cheeses. I've got these clementines. It's the winter season, so I love these things. I eat about 3 of these a day. I've got kiwi because I love kiwi. I've got lemons and limes down here and cheeses, and that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So for the most part, this is how my refrigerator looks on a day-to-day basis. So sometimes when my son or my nieces and stuff come over, they open my refrigerator to get some water, and I be like, oh my God, ain't there? You want me to go start get you some groceries? You ain't got no food in here. But I do, because I got all of this stuff in here and here, and I can always make me something fabulous to eat. So that's what I want to encourage you to do, because what's happening with a lot of us, especially people my age, we just don't eat enough leafy greens. We just do not eat enough leafy greens, y'all, and it is not good for us. So I want to encourage you to eat some leafy greens. And today I'm gonna make a salad. So let's see what we're gonna put together for a salad today with all of this stuff. All right, let's go. The only thing that would really be missing would be some beef liver, because I love beef liver and I just forgot to order it, and some grass-fed and grass-finished ground meat, because I like nachos, and I can put all of these vegetables on nachos. I love to do that with beans. And so this is the stuff we really should be eating more of, y'all. And it doesn't make sense to go out and buy this stuff and with good intentions of thinking you're gonna eat it and know that you want. So the easiest thing the tip that I would give you is to start off with spinach. Spinach has the least bite to it, so it's not as bitter as all of these other greens, and it's something that's easy to ease your kids into. So try spinach first, and then make sure you got some fruit, and especially the fruit that's in season. Like right now, man, them clementines, them cuties, they so sweet right now. I could eat a whole bag of them in one sitting. Start off with something like that and give them some little sweetness like that, and the little spinach, and then periodically take spinach and maybe add just a little bit of kale to it in a salad or in a saute, you know, and just keep increasing that over time. And over time, what you're actually doing is changing your taste buds. You're changing your taste buds so that your taste buds will actually your stomach will say, give me more of this. And your taste buds will tell you when you go out and eat processed food that I'm rejecting that because I'm used to eating this. So that's what I want to encourage you to do, to declutter your kitchen, not your kitchen, to declutter your refrigerator that way, by putting more dark leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables in your refrigerator, and leave some of them juices and all of that stuff at the grocery store, and start eating this stuff and don't waste it, okay? So that's what I got for y'all today. Quick little chickpea salad. I got some chickpeas in here, some arugula in here, some curly kale in here, some dino kale in here. I got avocado in here. I got regular onions in here. I got sun-dried tomatoes in here. I've got Kalamala olives in here. Should have put some red onions in here, but I forgot. Don't worry about it. I'll do it after the video goes off. I got some salt and pepper, and I just squeezed it with lime juice because I don't really need a vinaigrette. If you need a vinaigrette, make yourself a vinaigrette. I just squeezed, poured a little lime juice over the top of the greens and squeezed some lime juice, salt and pepper, and of course cayenne, because I put cayenne on everything, and I'm ready to rock and roll. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor. I will see y'all on the next video. Make sure that you're starting to declutter your refrigerator by putting more fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator that your family will eat and less of that other stuff. The only thing that I didn't show y'all that is generally in my refrigerator is beef liver and some grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef because I absolutely love nachos. So that's all that was missing, but my refrigerator looks like that on most days. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Bye now.